Good morning, lifers. Today we got a special treat for you. We are getting ready to head to Canton Trade Days. This is the world's largest flea market, world's largest outdoor flea market, that is. And I'm sure she'll get to do some shopping, but we got two other stops to make on the way, which will be this little cafe called Chisholm Cafe on the way, and we're also going to stop at the Bee store. So we'll see you on the road.
All right. Ready, lifers? Let's go.
All right, guys, we made it to Chisholm Country Store and getting ready to go in here. I think they serve food as well. We're gonna check it out, but this is what the place looks like. So guys, we found an awesome country store called Chisholm Country Store and Cafe. You have to visit this place. They have some of the coolest little trinkets and cups and home goods and everything. And they also serve food. So we're gonna go in here and get a bite to eat as well before we continue on our trip today.
Oh, you're an holy one, sent to set us free, yeah.
It's good. So this is a specialty drink that they have here. And it's got green tea, strawberry wine, ginger, and different fruits. What is in there?
It's mixed berries, the pink champagne fruity or pink champagne green tea that we sell here, the honey from Sunnyvale honey that we sell here, and ginger.
Nice. It's good. It's really good. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so as you know, we stopped at this little place called Chisholm Country Store, and it is so cool. You come in here, there's a bunch of local things you can buy from different vendors and things like that. It's really cool, stuff you wouldn't find anywhere else. And then to our surprise, we came to sit down and have breakfast, and there's a guy singing live country music, and oh my gosh, he sings really good. It is so awesome having breakfast and a live singer. So awesome. Where else does that happen? So anyway, now our food came to our table, And so I got a bacon and cheese croissant, and Honey got the bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. So fresh, really good.
I got eggs on mine, and the trick is everything here is fresh from local farms. The eggs came from a local farm, the milk came from a local farm. So this is sustainable, and they're helping farms around the country, but or around this area. That is really good. You can tell everything is really fresh.
No limitations, those dreams were hard. Billboard dreams.
So now we're outside, and there's a local farmer that comes here and does all of the produce. And as you can see, there's a wide variety, and they said as the season goes on, they'll have more and more. So I'm excited to try some of this stuff. I love fresh produce.
All right, guys, we're back in the car. We're getting ready to head on to our second stop for the day before we get to Canton Trade Days. But I must say, the Chisholm Country Store and Cafe was way cooler than I even expected. The pictures online really don't do it justice. The ladies in there, their hospitality was phenomenal. The food tasted really fresh, really good. Lots and lots of the library. The library was the coolest part.
Awesome.
So the library itself, you trade books, you take one, leave one is what they call it. So it's free, but tons of people come through, they leave books, they take books, they make suggestions to read. You can tell this crew inside this country store, they really have it together. They are awesome people.
Very passionate about what they do, and they just, I really enjoyed it. They make you feel like you're at home.
Oh my God. Literally said make yourself at home, guys. Yes. You don't find that in the city. People are go, fast. Out here, you get a taste of the slow and sweet life. It is wonderful. This is definitely a place that's worth, if you live in Fort Worth, it's worth the drive over to come visit this place, guys. Definitely. But anyway, we're off to the next destination. Our next stop was a quick jump over to Terrel, Texas. Terrel, Texas, or /Elmo, which is right outside of Terrel, is home to the Bee Store or the Bee Cafe. This is a convenience store that is themed after one character from Transformers called Bumblebee. Bumblebee stands large and proud outside of the store, and the inside there's a cafe that's Bumblebee themed. You can tell it's a local town gathering spot, and plenty of cool snacks, and we grabbed an energy drink for the rest of our trip down the road. All right, guys, so we made it to Canton for the trade days. It's not as sunny. There's some overcast. The temperature has gone up a little bit, so it's more tolerable right now. It's still pretty windy today, and there's a chance for rain. But we're gonna get out here and see how much of this Canton we can enjoy today. Canton Trade Days, also known as First Monday Trade Days, is one of the largest and oldest outdoor flea markets in the entire United States. This event takes place on the weekend preceding the first Monday of every month, and vendors set up their booths and tents across hundreds of acres in Canton, Texas. Canton Trade Days has been held since the 1850s, and it started as a small local gathering of farmers and merchants trading their goods. Today, the event attracts more than 100,000 visitors every month, and vendors come from all over the country to sell a wide variety of items, including antiques, collectibles, crafts, jewelry, clothing, and much more. Let's see. Jim Morrison. How's it going, man?
Good, pretty good.
How long you been out here?
A couple years. This is my first.
Canton Trade Days is not just a shopping destination, but also a cultural experience. With live music, food, vendors, and a carnival-like atmosphere, the event has been featured in several TV shows, including HGTV's Flea Market Flip, Junk Gypsies, and American Pickers. So guys, we're inside Canton, one of the buildings. I don't even know which one we're in, but there's everything you can imagine inside this place, inside this entire facility. I mean, from clothing to car parts. There are lamps and lamps galore, food all over the place, which we'll be trying at some point and sharing with you. But this, you have to come visit this place. This is one of the coolest, the world's largest outdoor flea market is where we're at right now in Canton, Texas. Canton Trade Days is a year-round event, but the biggest and most popular shows are held in April, May, September, and October, attracting visitors from all over the world. In addition to the main event in Canton, there are also several other nearby trade days held on different weekends throughout the year, including trade days in Edam, Ben Wheeler, and Lindale. The event has a rich history and has survived many challenges over the years, including floods, fires, and economic downturns. Canton Trade Days is a unique shopping experience that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a collector, a bargain hunter, or just looking for a fun day out with the family and friends, you will love Canton Trade Days. Our favorite part of Canton Trade Days was making connections with so many of the wonderful vendors like the awesome and funny family at Piney Woods Custom Woodwork, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿 and at Agave Boots, the mother and daughter dynamic duo at Kirby's, and Sean, who sells rock and roll swag on the south end of the park. We had a great time at Canton Trade Day.
Not responsible for the addiction. Can I get original and can I get marinara sauce on it?
We don't have marinara sauce.
Okay, what do you have?
We have cheese, mustard, cream cheese.
You trying to order stuff they don't have?
$7.
So guys, we stopped to grab a little something to eat, and of course it was pizza, and she got a pretzel from the pretzel place. So we're getting tired and about ready to get out of here. There's live music playing, but we need to get home because we got some groceries from our earlier stop in the back of the car. Anyway, this place is amazing. I highly recommend you get out here if you have a chance or create a reason to get out here. So, what you think?
I like it. From what we saw, we didn't see very much, but it was fun.
Yeah.
Worth the trip.
Definitely.